Hi there, welcome to CSEMA. In this video, we are going to make an anonymous call using the app called IndiCall. So just go to the Play Store and download the app by searching the IndiCall here, and we got the result and install the app. Here we already installed this app in our phone, so just click on open. And it's open and it's asked for the privacy and the license, so just click here to tick and just place on OK. Now the app is installed, and it's asked for to access give all the permissions to access the contact, calls, media files and the geolocations. So click on OK and allow all the permissions that it asks. So click on OK, allow, and do all the for contacts and the locations and the files. Now we need to make a call to my another phone. So just click on contact or just dial the number here. So we just start dial the numbers by entering the country code. When we dial any numbers, it might be numbers from the other country like Dubai or something else. So our country code is +91. So just long press the 0 button. So we got the plus, and 91 is the country code of India. And now type the number. So 81716839. So just dial the numbers by entering the starting country code and just click on call, as simple as you do. Now we got the call on another phone here. So just pick the call, and now you talk to the other persons by using this app, and it only provides a minute, just only 1 minute to call anonymously. After a minute, the call is automatically disconnected. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.